This is actually...
Okay, I have a cleft lip.
This is actually quite easy to do. Yes.
Yes.
Initially.
I cannot do it.
Hey, can I get one of those out of the cookie bucket?
I'm Lynn's appointment. Last name is Jones.
Jones. Kitties. Slimer.
I'm gonna get your cat.
Suki. Hey, Suki. Suki. Hey. Hey, this is my cat named Slimer. He's got a Lynn's appointment. Limey. 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 Oh, he's sad. He's a sad kitty. Oh, look at these sad zits. I'm a sad person with these zits on my face. That's one of the funniest darn things I ever said in my whole life. Sister, why you keep laughing like that? My sister, you see, she's got a big problem. All she wants to do is laugh at me.
I feel like I'm touching your butt and then my under the glass.
You are. I feel like we're in China.
All I want is a cookie.
Okay.